Hey guys, welcome to Operation Bounce Back and Self-Care Sunday. So today's vlog is focused on self-care, my self-care routine, what I've been doing, what I'm going to start doing, and incorporating into my weekly routine, daily routine. And I have so many things to talk about and share with you guys in this video. This is honestly such a long time coming. Forrest is 10 weeks old, so it's about time I get things together. I've been saying I was going to get it together for a while now and it hasn't happened. You probably can't tell yet, but I'm wearing workout clothes for the first time since having my baby, so you know what that means we're gonna do in this video. And I'm just really excited to finally get back on track because I've been saying it, but I'm going to do it, okay? So the first thing I want to share with you is my Kenzie. It's an IPL laser hair removal device. So this video is sponsored by Kenzie. Thank you to them. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and a lot of you guys know I'm like a DIY kind of girl. I do as many things myself as I can. I do my nails myself, and especially having a baby, it is so hard for me to schedule appointments. I get anxiety just thinking about it because it's like, what if he doesn't want to leave the house then? What if he needs to eat then? He's unpredictable, he's a baby. So anything that I can do at home myself instead of scheduling an appointment for, I am always up for, especially because it's like way cheaper doing things yourself. Here's the box that Kenzie comes in, here's the device, and then there are directions that come with it as well, but it's like super straightforward. I did plug it in so I can show you guys how to use it. This can be used on your legs, on your bikini area, on your armpits. You can use it even on your mustache if you have a mustache. If you don't, consider yourself lucky. But oh, by the way, I literally have my shoes on for working out because I was afraid if I didn't do that, I wouldn't do it. But something I've always been self-conscious about is on my legs, the farther down you go, the thinner the skin is and the thicker the hair is. And it is so annoying because if someone's ever like, oh, I like your shoes, I'm always thinking like, oh, are they staring at stubble? That's not actually stubble, because I do have freshly shaved legs, but the skin down here is so thin that even right after I shaved, you can see what looks like stubble, but it's the hair follicle that's underneath the skin, and it is so annoying. So that's why I'm really into this, because it already, I have used this for 4 weeks now, it already is way less noticeable. It's recommended that you use the Kenzie once a week, and most people start to notice results by 3 to 4 weeks. I'm at 4 weeks right now. I definitely have noticed results, especially like the problem area I was talking about. And I just spend so much less time shaving already, which I don't have time for in the first place. I don't know if you can tell, but I caught myself shaving last night because I didn't have time for shaving in the first place. So this is like such a time saver if you are a new mom and a really busy mom, or if you are someone that's really busy in general. This is going to save you a lot of time. This has 10 plus years of flashes in it. So there is a power button on the back here, and you just push this and then you can hear it. It's pretty quiet, but it does have like a little bit of a fan sound. There are 5 levels, so it's recommended that it's used on level 5 for the best results. But if you have any areas of your body that are sensitive, then you can turn it down if it's uncomfortable. But again, I have sensitive skin, and the Kenzie device is totally fine on my skin on level 5. It basically is a light flash, so if you want to go over the same area up to 3 times, you can. But honestly, I just do once or twice. So for a specific area, just push the button and you can see a flash. Or if you want to do your legs, like obviously that's what I'm doing right now, then just hold it down and go slowly, and it will go across your legs. It's just like slightly warm, but it doesn't hurt. So if you would like $30 off your own Kenzie so you can start doing what you enjoy and spend less time shaving, there is a link down below in my description box. If you do get the Kenzie, let me know how it works for you, because I just think this is like such a cool thing. I love that you can do this yourself, especially if you're doing like your bikini area. You can do that in the privacy of your own home. Thank you again to Kenzie for sponsoring. Now on to the rest of the video. First workout post baby. It's been a long time, so let's see how I do. Well, that's a good sign. It's been so long, I didn't even remember how to turn it on. Whenever I mention working out, I do get several questions asking what I do, and what you guys see in this video is essentially what I do all the time. I know it's a lot more effective if you focus on arms one day and legs on another, etc., but I would way rather enjoy working out than do something like that. I personally don't enjoy that, so even though doing a little bit of everything every day might not be the best thing for losing weight and toning and all of that as fast, that's just what I do because I enjoy it. I feel like it's a stress reliever doing a little bit of everything, and I'm a little less sore when I do a little of everything instead of focusing on one thing. So that's just what works for me. And almost every exercise I do, I have learned throughout the years in workout classes, and I keep doing at home whatever I enjoyed in those classes. So that's essentially how I learned everything that you guys see in this video. Workout number 1 is complete. My legs are absolute jello. That is going to be like the hardest thing for me to get back because they feel like somebody else's legs. I don't recognize these weak legs. So I can tell that area for sure is going to be a very long process, but that's over. Let's shower. So skincare is next, and whenever I'm doing a self-care routine, I almost always apply a face mask. I love face masks. I even have a drawer in my vanity exclusively for all of my masks. I just love to take like a little bit of extra time on my skin when I get a chance, and I've been using the Tula brand lately. I believe I have a discount code on their website. It's Alexandra15 for 15% off. So this is their exfoliating face mask. I left it on for a few minutes. Now I'm going to rinse that off with a warm washcloth, apply a moisturizer and a spot treatment, and then we're on to the next step. And this is when I will use my Kenzie after I've showered. I have freshly clean skin, freshly shaven skin, so that the Kenzie device can work its best and get straight to the root of that hair follicle. Now, the difference between this and a standard laser treatment at a salon is this uses a broad spectrum of visible light wavelengths, so it covers a larger surface area. Having a professional laser treatment done is very targeted, small, specific areas. So again, it's so much faster. I really like this too for traveling because if I'm on a trip, I don't have to shave my legs as much. I can get out of that hotel room and enjoy myself. So a really cool thing to check out. I was shutting my eyes in the last clip because you don't want to look directly at the light when it flashes. So just another tip for you. Now I'm going to make myself a hot tea. This one's apple cinnamon. And then I'm going to sit down, unwind, and relax and do a little bit of online shopping because that is such a self-care thing for me. So I'm taking a few minutes to place a few orders I've been meaning to place for months. When you are a new mom, you have to pick and choose how you spend every second of the day, and it's always hard to put yourself first, but every once in a while you need to keep yourself going and be the best version of yourself. So I'm glad that I finally took the time to get some things for myself. I ordered my concealer. I wear Fair 6 under the eye from ColourPop. And then I also did get Fair 8 to test that out. And then from Ulta, I ordered a bunch of shampoo and conditioner and also a body lotion because it's winter, so my skin is really dry. Whatever makes you feel good about yourself and puts a little pep in your step should be part of your self-care routine. So now I'm whitening my teeth. It's also something I've wanted to do for a really long time now. And I'm using the Crest White Strips, the sensitive version. I picked these up at Target. And that is everything for my self-care routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure to check out the links below, and I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!